Hey there, design enthusiasts! Today, we're taking you on an exciting tour of 12 luxurious, modern, open-concept living room interior designs. If you're into pristine white aesthetics and exquisite copper decorations, you're in for a treat. First off, the pristine white aesthetics create an atmosphere of pure elegance. From the walls to the furniture, everything is designed to reflect light and maximize the sense of spaciousness. It's a true visual delight. Now, let's talk about the exquisite copper decorations. They're tastefully integrated throughout the living rooms, adding warmth and a sense of uniqueness to the space. It's a design choice that's as practical as it is beautiful. If you're as mesmerized as we are by these incredible designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more jaw-dropping interior design inspiration.